and welcome to this bounce management video. The topic is, how do I resend a notice to users who bounced? Using the Bounce Email Manager to resend notices. This video will demonstrate how to check the number of bounces on the notices list page and how to use the Bounced Email Manager to resend the notice to users who had a soft bounce. Creating an option will be covered briefly, as it's part of the process of resending a notice to a targeted group. An email bounces when a connection to the user server was made and we received a message back reporting unsuccessful delivery. The majority of bounces fall into two categories, hard or soft bounces. A soft bounce, a bounce with a code in the 400s, is due to a temporary problem with delivery, such as a temporary network problem. A hard bounce, a bounce with a code in the 500s, is due to a permanent problem with delivery, such as an invalid email address. If you experience an unusual or large number of bounces for a mailing, you may want to investigate using the Bounce Email Manager. Relatrix recommends investigating bounce rates over 5% of total emails. Unless you have a recently imported list of users, new imports will experience higher bounce rates. After logging into your administrative interface, go to the List function of the Notices module. This is where you can view the number of bounces for a message. You'll notice the notices names, the number of emails sent, and then another column for bounced emails. So for this example, 1/8 news release, 5,273 emails were sent, and there were 350 bounces. If this number is large enough to warrant resending the message to the bounced users, you will first need to create a temporary group of these users. To create a temporary group, go to the Groups module and add an option. Select Private, and for the option name, enter anything that's descriptive for you. Assign this option to a group, select a group that works for you organizationally, and click on Add Update. You have now added an option. Return to the Notices list page, select the notice of interest, and click on the number of bounces in the bounced column. The Bounced Email Manager page is going to be displayed with a filter of the notice selected. You will see the notice's name in the Publication Name drop-down menu. And if you scroll down, you will see a list of all bounces for this notice. Note that the bounce report provides username, publication, ID, email, date, a bounce code, and the domain. This information allows you to investigate any patterns or trends in bounces. Now let's scroll back up to the filter options to filter by bounced status. From the Bounce Status drop-down menu, you'll see 5XX, 4XX, and Unknown. We're going to select 4XX for soft bounces. Those are bounces in the 400s code. Click on Filter. Scroll down to see the number of soft bounce records. The total count is now 28. We want to select all of these records, so we're going to click on the Select All link. You'll see now that 28 were selected. And then from the Process Filtered Email Records section, we'll need to scroll up a little bit, here it is, the Process Filtered Email Records section, we're going to select Assign User to Group from this action menu. We're then going to select the group that we created from the Groups drop-down menu, and we're going to click on Go. pop-up appears asking if we're sure we want to perform this action. Click OK. Okay, you have now assigned all the bounce users to the temporary group that we created. Return to the Notices list page. From the Notices list page, we are able to publish our notice to the temporary group that we created. Find your notice, click on Publish, scroll down, select the notification group that we created, click Add, scroll down further, click Filter List. Here's our number 28. Those people who had bounced emails. Click on Publish, click on Finish Return. You have now successfully resent a notice to subscribers who bounced. After publishing, you can delete the temporary group you created by going to the List function of the Groups module. Find the group that you created and click on the title. Scroll down and click on Delete. Are you sure you want to delete this group? Click on OK. Thank you for watching this Bounce Management Help video. For additional questions on managing bounces, check the Help section in the Utilities module. For more assistance, contact Relatrix support by email at support@relatrix.com or by phone at 800-570-6234. Thank you.